Hello, welcome to another English lesson. My name is Michael with ACE English School Japan, located in Takasaki, Guma. Okay, so today's lesson is going to be had better, better, and should. Okay, so in Japan, a lot of my students, especially my older students, they tend to use had better when they should be using should or better. So had better and sometimes better are very strong in American English. So had better is kind of threatening, or we use it when we're angry. We only use it like with your family members, like husband or children, so like that. Okay, wife, so we use it with family members. It's a little bit strong, okay? I think that maybe British English or Old English, maybe it was better, but now it's very strong. So it's too strong for us. So for recommending or giving advice or opinions, we usually use should, okay? And with this lesson again, if you can, hit CC in the corner of your YouTube video so that way you can see everything I say. It will really help you a lot, I think, okay? Okay, so here's some examples. It's a good movie. You should see it. Okay, you should see it. Okay. You better behave at school. You better behave at school. Behave means be good. So it's a little bit strong. So it's usually like mother or father talking to their child who maybe the teacher called them. So they're a little angry. So they say, you better behave. Okay. He had better not be late. He had better not be late. You see, that's really strong. That's really strong. So that means that if he's late, he's in trouble. Okay, he's in trouble. So it's kind of like a threat. Okay, so threat is when you're angry and you want to fight with somebody. So okay. So let's go over some more examples. Two people talking. Person A, I have a toothache. Okay, I have a toothache. I have a toothache. Toothache. My tooth hurts. Okay, and person B, you should go to the dentist. Okay, you should go to the dentist. You should go to the dentist. Okay, you, or they can also say, you better go to the dentist. Okay, you better go to the dentist. So this is a little bit stronger. Better is stronger than should. Okay, better is stronger than should. But in this way, it really means that the person cares. They really care. So it's a little bit stronger. You better go to the dentist. Okay? It's like a warning or something. Okay? You should go to the dentist is more polite, is better, softer. So I recommend using you should go to the dentist. But if it's somebody that you're close with and you care about them, then you can use you better. You better go to the dentist. Okay? Your doctor might tell you you had better stop smoking, or you So had better is okay, but you don't really need had. You better stop smoking. You had better lose weight. Or you had better go on a diet. Okay? All of these, what? You can just use better. You better stop smoking. You had better stop smoking. You better lose weight. You had better lose weight. You better go on a diet, lose weight, same meaning. You had better go on a diet. Okay? So this is a little bit strong. So if you're kind of in the danger zone, your doctor might be a little bit strong with you because this is strong. Okay? If they use should, so if they use should, you should stop smoking, you should lose weight, you should go on a diet. So this one is a little bit softer, so it's not quite in the danger zone. It's more your doctor is giving you a recommendation to be healthier. So there's a difference between should and had better. I don't use had better so much. I use better sometimes, and I use it strongly sometimes with my children when they're being bad. You better listen to me. So like that. But in Japan, a lot of times people will use these when they should be using should. Okay? There's another one too, ought to. You ought to. But we don't use that so often, so I'm not teaching that today. But it's the same meaning as should, but we don't use that so often. You ought to see the movie, or you ought to behave. We don't use that so often. Okay? You should is very common. Okay. Well, I hope you learned something tonight. And if you enjoyed the lesson, sorry, it's nighttime here. If you enjoyed the lesson, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a message. And feel free to share this video. Okay? Thank you. See you next time. Bye.